નમસ્કાર મારા વહાલા વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, મેથ્સ એન્ડ ઇંગ્લિશ યુટ્યુબ ચેનલમાં આપ સૌનું હાર્દિક સ્વાગત છે. મારા વહાલા બાળકો, હજી સુધી તમે આપણી યુટ્યુબ ચેનલ મેથ્સ એન્ડ ઇંગ્લિશને સબસ્ક્રાઈબ ના કરી હોય તો જલ્દી સબસ્ક્રાઈબ કરો અને હા, વિડીયોને લાઈક કરવાનું ભૂલશો નહીં. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, આજે આપણે ધોરણ 8 અંગ્રેજી વિષયમાં અસાઇનમેન્ટ સોલ્યુશનમાં પ્રશ્ન 1 જે 100 માર્ક તમારા પ્રશ્નપત્રમાં પૂછાય છે, જેમાં પેરેગ્રાફ પરથી ક્વેશ્ચનના આન્સર લખવાના હોય છે. તેમાં યુનિટ 1 અને યુનિટ 2ના પેરેગ્રાફ પરથી ક્વેશ્ચન આન્સરનો અભ્યાસ કરીશું. ક્વેશ્ચન 1. Read the following paragraphs and answer the questions. Unit 1, Paragraph 1. Vikas said, "Hello, good morning and welcome everyone. Today at our Smith Vidyalay, we have the 4th annual Smart Student of the School contest. Our English teacher, Mr. Parmar, is the host of this competition, and with him, the scorer is Mr. Bright, his own laptop. Our principal, Mr. Sharma, is the expert. Today we have 9 contestants. They have computer screens in front of them. All of us are eagerly awaiting the start. So let's not waste time. Question 1. What is the name of Vikas School? Answer. The name of Vikas School is Smith Vidyalay. B. Who is Mr. Bright? What does he do? Answer. Mr. Bright, laptop of Mr. Parmar, is the scorer. He keeps the scores of the contestants. 3. What is the name of the contest? Answer. The name of the contest is Smart Student of the School contest. 4. Who is the expert for the contest? Answer. Mr. Sharma, the principal, is the expert for the contest. 5. How many contestants are there? Answer. There are 9 contestants. 6. Who welcomes everyone? Option A, Mr. Parmar. B, Vikas. C, Mr. Bright. D, Mr. Sharma. Answer. Vikas. 7. Who is the host? Mr. Parmar, Vikas, Mr. Bright के Mr. Sharma? Mr. Parmar. 8. Annual means A, monthly. B, weekly. C, yearly. D, daily. Yearly. 9. Which word in the paragraph means anchor? Host. Thus, which word is used for one who takes part in a competition? Contestant. Paragraph B. Mr. Parmar said, the first round is fast finger first round. Okay, ready? I will give you a question on your computer. You will get maximum 7 seconds. The contestant with the quickest finger will come to this smart seat. Your time starts now. Question 1. Your time starts now. Who said these words? Answer. Mr. Parmar. B. How much time will the contestants get to answer the question? Answer. The contestants will get maximum 7 seconds to answer the questions. 3. Which is the first round? Fast finger first. 4. Maximum means the least, the most, difficult or easy, the most. Paragraph 3. Mr. Parmar said, okay, the time is up. Let's see who is the quickest. And she is Nandita Gosai. She took only 3 seconds. Welcome Nandita, come to this smart seat. प्रश्न 1. Who is the first contestant? Answer. Nandita Gosai is the first contestant. May come to this smart seat. Who said these words? Answer. Mr. Parmar. Question 3. Who was the quickest? Nandita Gosai. 4. How much time did she take? 3 seconds. Paragraph 4. Mr. Parmar said, right, you have got a chance. Okay, now let's have the rules. I will ask you 6 questions. Each correct answer will bring you a gift, and 6 correct answers will get you a scholarship. You will get rupees 200 every month. Here is Mystic Tick. It will give you only 1 minute for the first 3 questions. There are 3 helplines. You can use any 2 of them. Ready? First, Hello Help. Second, Expert Advice. Third, Student Support. Question 8. What will Nandita get for each correct answer? Answer. Nandita will get a gift for each correct answer. May, what will Nandita get for 6 correct answers? Answer. Nandita will get a scholarship of rupees 200 every month for 6 correct answers. Third, how many helplines are there? Name them. Answer. There are 3 helplines. They are Hello Help, Expert Advice, and Student Support. 4. How many questions will Mr. Parmar ask? 6. 5. 6 correct answers will get the contestant a scholarship. So, how many helplines can the contestant use? 2. 7. The contestants will get khali jagya for the first 3 questions. 1 minute. Unit 2 na paragraph જોઈએ. Paragraph 1. Akbar was very eager to meet him. Very well, Ustadji, said the king. With a smile, he looked into Tansen's eyes. If he doesn't come here, I shall go to him myself. Will you take me to him? Asked the king. Yes, but you do not go there as the king, said Tansen. I shall go as a humble lover of music, said the king. Question 1. What condition did Tansen put before the king? Answer. Tansen told Akbar that he could not go to Sant Haridas as a king. But how would the king go there? Answer. The king would go there as a humble lover of music. 3. I shall go to him myself. Who said these words? The king. 4. Humble means simple. Paragraph 2. The sweetness of his voice spread all around. Both the king and Tansen forgot where they were. The king realized that Tansen was right. He had certainly never heard any music like this before. He said, I agree. Sant Haridas is the greatest musician. No other musician is so great as him. Question 1. What did the king agree? Answer. The king agreed that Sant Haridas was the greatest musician. May the sweetness of his voice spread all around. Whose voice is this? Sant Haridas. 3. To realize means to understand. 4. What did the king realize? Sant Haridas is the greatest singer. 5. No other musician is so great as him means he is the greatest musician. Paragraph 3. Superb. I listen to you every day, but this was the best. Tansen bowed before the king. I think you have the most wonderful voice in the world, said the king. Well, my lord, there is someone who sings better than I, said Tansen with a smile. Really? Cried the disbelieving king. Then I must have him sing in my court. Can you arrange it? Asked the king. Tansen shook his head. I am afraid he will not come to the court. Question 1. What did the king say about Tansen's voice? Answer. The king said that Tansen had the most wonderful voice in the world. B. Did Tansen agree with the king? What did he say? Answer. No. Tansen did not agree with the king. He said there was someone who sang better than him. 3. How did Tansen show his respect to the king? He bowed before the king. 4. Disbelieving means not sure. Paragraph 4. They walked back silently. Then the king broke the silence. Why can't you sing like him, Ustad ji? Tansen smiled. Shahinshah, I sing at your command, the command of the king of Hindustan. Guruji sings for the one who is the king of kings. Question 1. At whose command did Tansen sing? Answer. Tansen sang at the command of the king of Hindustan. B. For whom did Tansen's Guruji sing? Answer. Guruji sang for God, the King of Kings. 3. Here broke the silence means he spoke. 4. At whose command did Tansen sing? Akbar. 5. For whom did Sant Haridas sing? God. 6. કિંગ ઓફ કિંગ મીન્સ ગોડ. 7. કમાન્ડ મીન્સ ઓર્ડર. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, અહીં અસાઇનમેન્ટમાં ક્વેશ્ચન 1 પેરેગ્રાફ પરથી ક્વેશ્ચન આન્સરમાં યુનિટ 1 અને યુનિટ 2ના પ્રશ્નોનું સોલ્યુશન પૂર્ણ થાય છે. વિડીયો ગમ્યો હોય તો તેને લાઇક કરો, તમારા મિત્રો સુધી શેર કરો. આવા જ અવનવા ઉપયોગી વિડીયો જોવા માટે આપણી યુટ્યુબ ચેનલ મેથ્સ એન્ડ ઇંગ્લિશ સાથે જોડાયેલા રહો. મળીએ એક નવા વિડીયો સાથે. ધન્યવાદ.